Here's a video of my 2014 BMW HP4. I've had it for about a year now and I haven't really done any videos on it, so for those who want to see any of the upgrades I've done, here we are. Basically, the first thing I did was put on those flush mount turn signals. Got rid of the old ones and I think it looks a lot better. Also, I put these LighTech frame sliders. It's got different colors on each side, and I'll show you here on the other side in a minute. Also put this case cover, which is Rizoma. I think it looks pretty nice. Doesn't stick out too much, but it adds a nice color to it, so matches the blue paint on the bike itself. On the back, I also did the spools, also Rizoma. They're blue and may not be able to tell in the light right now, but it matches the rim and the plastics. Also in the back here I have the smoke tail light, which has the blinkers integrated into it. I'll show you here in a second what it looks like, but got rid of the license plate bracket and got one of the under mount fenders, so it's a lot cleaner. Other side, also just the spool, same color as on the other side. Again, got the case cover for this side, also Rizoma. It's a little different, but I think it'll be functional if I ever have to use it, which I hope not. Frame slider, a little different color, but flows with the bike. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is stock on it. It's a lot of carbon fiber, which can't really tell right now due to the lighting, but looks pretty good in person. And I'll turn the bike on here for you guys so you can hear the exhaust and see the lights. The only thing I did on the exhaust is remove the little insert that goes in here. It's a little dark, but anyways, you guys will see in a second. So that's that. Everything else is stock, and I think I'm pretty much done with the changes. Maybe the only thing I'll change later is the chain and rear hugger to a carbon fiber so it can match with the rest of the bike. Not a big fan of the stock plastics, but it works for now, so I'm leaving it. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed.